Welcome! In front of me I have a BLACKVIEW X1 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the H-band application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. Now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the H-band application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, find the option called the Bluetooth and tap on it. And here you should see the list of my devices, and on it you should see your X1 watch. Once you find it, tap on the info icon next to it. And here you should see the option called Share System Notifications. And this option needs to be enabled, so make sure it is enabled. If you don't see this option, open the H-band application on your iPhone, then tap on Mine, tap on X1 device, then tap on Message Notifications, and here disable the notifications, and then enable. And once you enable the notifications, wait for a couple of seconds, and after a couple of seconds you should see the pop-up on the screen about the notification permission. Once you see it, allow the permission, and once you allow it, you can go back to the Bluetooth settings, tap on info, and you should see this option right here. And once you see it, make sure it's enabled, and then you can go back to settings, scroll down, find the H-band application on the list of apps, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Once it is, close the settings and open the H-band application on your iPhone. Then tap on Mine, select your X1 from the list of devices, tap on Message Notifications, and here we can turn on and off the notifications for features and apps. We can enable it for phone calls, SMS, WeChat, QQ, Facebook, and stuff like that. If you don't see the app that you want to enable the notifications for on this list, you can always enable the other apps option. This basically enables the notifications for the apps on your iPhone that are not on this list. And once you're done customizing this, you can close the app. And at this point you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. I'm gonna quickly download Discord on our iPhone, and I'm gonna log in. Okay, let's log in, and I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord so you can see that it's working. Okay. Okay, we have the Discord installed. Let me also check if the notifications are enabled for the Discord. They're not, so let's enable them. Okay, now it should be fine. Now we can close the settings and send myself a message on Discord, and once it arrives on our iPhone, it also should pop up on our watch. So let's check. As you can see, we got it on our watch. For some reason it didn't appear on our iPhone, but it's working. We have our notification. If you miss it, you can swipe up on the home screen to open the notification panel. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.